Junior, what would you like to become in future?
I want to be an astronaut.
Continue.
Because I want to go to the moon.
Okay.
I'd love to be a neurosurgeon because I just like taking care of people. So I'm going to be a science student.
No problem.
Big Ed, what do you want to become? I think right now I should just become a lawyer. Because I think I have it in me. Because the way I always win arguments alone, it always amazes me.
No problem.
You Unko? Actually, I wanted to become a mechanical engineer. But I just feel like the world needs more female economists. I've not the feel. Go and sit down. Hey, babe, how far now? Big Ed, good to see you. You're in this school. Well, actually, I just resumed though. So what did they give you? They gave me forestry. Actually, very good course because we need to know very much about our environment. Research and all those kind of things. What did they give you now? They gave me Yoruba. Oh my God. Yoruba. What can we do? Very good course. Because language is very important. Communication is very key. Congratulations to those who won our fit matches yesterday for face whitening, acne or pimples, or for makeup or gelatin. Available to travel. Please contact to buy and sell Bitcoin, gift card or cryptocurrency. Please contact to buy original wigs or handbags. Please contact me at Hey, what's up, ladies and gentlemen? It's your boy G Banks. Please download my new hit single, This Life Sha, available on her website. Please, you already know what time it is. Please like and tag. Please, I need your votes. Please vote me, Queen GB.
Get out of here.
As face of Oshodi.
Get away, Oshodi.